Oh no! Sorry, Justin. All right, we're back for another Slaburday Saturday. We're grabbing an ash log. I'm excited. It's cold out. I'll probably have a hoodie on later on in this video. Gonna hop in the telehandler. The ash log is up in the field. Gonna get her loaded up. I have to measure it too. It should be the right length for, I actually need it for a job. So we're actually gonna be sawmilling this and drying this log in quick time. So probably within a month or two, we'll be building a table out of the lumber that we're sawmilling today. Pretty cool. Thanks for tuning in to this Saturday Slaburday. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get on with this. All right, again, we love this telehandler. Very easy to boom in, grab the log and boom out and adjust it, ooh, ever so slightly. All right, our cameraman Andy, video editor, also YouTuber, all that stuff. He noticed some metal in here, so we're gonna have to dig this out a little bit. Can also cut really thick, but first we're gonna try and dig. I did notice a little small nail over here also, but that's, although it could be fence wire, which sometimes could be. This one could be an interesting one. Could be an interesting one. It's like a U-shaped thing. Could still be an eye bolt, but it's something they hammer in. You could see right here, it was hammered in, I think. Hella lucky on this one. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, we can still use this thing.
I can see it.
All right, we're good to go. We got that big hunk of metal out. Although the wire's still in there, could be a fence wire, goes right through. Hopefully we don't hit it. Hopefully it doesn't screw up the bandsaw blade, because I just want to slice this thing up into slabs right now. And we're gonna do that. The blade's already on there. I just have to tension it. It is, if you've watched all the previous ones, and I hope you have, you know I just leave the blade on there and I use it on the fresh log. If it makes me a nice flat cut, I just keep using it. And I believe it's pretty fresh with this one. It was from that giant, insanely big white oak log. Some of you might thought that log was trash, but it was actually really, really nice lumber. All right, we're good to go. We're set up for the first cut. We're gonna be cutting this ash log. I don't even know if I've said that this is an ash tree. We've had it for a long, long time. This came to us from Mike, actually. He's in the similar business, woodslabs.ca. Gotta spread the love. His website's here somewhere. Thank you, Mike. Thank you. Let's cut. All right, let's see what's inside this super ugly looking log on the outside. Woohoo! Beautiful, look at this grain. Clean. I love ash. Sweet, eh? That's beautiful stuff right there. Let's just get on, let's get another cut going. All right, we got 2 slabs cut. We are going to pop these off. Let's see what's inside. We definitely hit metal. We hit that fence wire or whatever that is, but I think it's actually still cutting flat. Either way, we're gonna know in a second. Fortunately, this log is pretty dry, so it's pretty light, considering. Come on. Oh no, that was gonna happen. Yeah, this looks really nice. Really, really well cut. Clean grain in this stuff. Considering how ugly the outside of this log looks, the lumber is beautiful. Let's check out the next level. That's where the metal is. It still looks pretty decent on the cut. I am going nice and slow. Yeah, it's time to change the blade. That cut's wavy after the metal. Then it sucks though. You just hit the metal in the next one. We gotta see what's going on. All right, 2 slabs off. Unfortunately, we hit the metal. Not only did we hit the little piece of wire that we thought we were gonna hit, we hit a chunk of something else. I have no idea what it is, but it is a big chunk of metal. I'm gonna bust out the 2 hammers now and see what I can get. If anything, it looks like it goes this direction, like we grazed at it, which is the worst possible way of hitting metal. Right, there's a crotch figure right here. It's so hard. Oh, come on. Oh, look. Okay. Maybe I can just operate. Look, I can do it without. Oh, look there. There it is. It's like meant to be. Weird. If anybody knows, is this just to like hold wire? If you know why you would put this in a tree about 40, 50 years ago, let me know. Probably just to hold wire, I guess. Oh, man.
Clothesline.
Clothesline? Yeah, but it's at the base of the tree. That one's actually a bit bigger. Awesome. How am I doing, Troy?
Don't touch it.
Do you like cleaning up my mess? All right, I want to give you the idea of the value of these slabs and also just the volume of board footage that's in there. So we're going to measure the board footage and then multiply it by like an estimated retail price for this kind of stuff. And you know what? I'll take the slab measurement from right there. So we have these are 9-foot long slabs. So we're at 108 inches long. 108 inches long. We're going to measure 3 width measurements and then take the average. So we have 32. Call it 35. 48 inches. And we cut these at 10 or 2.5 inches thick. So figure out the board footage. We're going to find the average width, add these 3 together. So we have 48 inches plus 35 inches plus 32 inches. Divide that by 3. That's going to give us our average width. We're going to multiply that by the length. And then we're also going to multiply that by the thickness. Gives us a whole big number we don't care about. We're going to divide it by 144, which is the board feet. 71 board feet. Something like this will retail for about $16 to $18 a board foot. So let's go on the lower end of this. So you're at about $1,100 to say even up to a $1,400 slab. So we're going to estimate the value of each slab at $800. That's kind of an average with the log. And we're going to times that by 6 slabs out of this log. So at a retail price, this is $4,800 for all 6 slabs once they're kiln dried and surfaced flat.
What's that?
You got some good shots then.
Yeah, because it's the slope.
What do you think of that video, everyone, folks? I thought it was spot on. The lumber was also beautiful. The sawmill worked great. We had the hiccups with the steel in the log, but conveniently I hammered around there, got a little chainsaw action, and both pieces threaded out. Very rare that we get that lucky, but I've been known to get lucky before. Know what I'm saying? My wife is currently cringing right now. That was definitely cringe-worthy, she would say. Oh, buddy, there he is. All right, mister. So this is Archie, if you guys didn't know. I think he's going to be in the video more often these days. Andy, we got to get more Archie in the videos. You guys want to see Archie in the videos, let us know. I just said Archie like 10 times in 10 seconds. He's pretty docile right now because it's almost dinner time, isn't it, buddy? Yeah. Well, you're going to be a YouTube star now. But that's it, folks. Thanks, as always, for watching. We really appreciate it. And until next time, make it a great one.